put in the white stone will be lasting here. Another steps there, we use it inside for tip color. All the color it's natural products. No, we don't use any chemical products inside the tent.
I don't have car, just donkey. I bring it skin and the sud on the north to the city. You have big terrace for dry leather because here, like this terrace, not big one, not smaller, but here lots of the handicraft. But today not lots the people working because today is free day, is holiday. Lots of the people I go for praying now because the time like just 1 hour I stay more after I go for praying. And finish the work, when you dry leather, some people, some handcrafted, when you make it here, bring it here in my store. You have the other handcrafted, I send it the skin in the market. I send it every day. You have big market inside the Medina, I send it the skin.